The project name is Tidal Energy to Electricity Conversion. Imagine that this is the sea and there is a water in it. The waves in the sea will move this ball up and down. The ball will move in a linear direction. This linear direction is amplified using a lever. This is the lever mechanism. It will increase the magnitude of the movement using this small arm and a large arm. And the large arm is connected to the fan blade of a dynamo. The dynamo shaft is connected to the fan blade, and this is a weight which we have hanged. This acts as a free wheel. Now this is the circuit which will take the small amount of electricity that is generated from this generator, and it has a storage mechanism to store that energy into the battery. The battery is located here. Now whenever this movement is happening, this LED will glow, indicating the instantaneous electricity generation. Once the electricity is stored in the battery, that electricity can be used to power up this home. Using this button, if you press this button, the light will glow. This is the energy which we are getting from the generator. Now let us see the operation of the tidal electricity generation. You can observe this LED is glowing. You have to generate waves smoothly like this. A little practice, you will be able to generate the right kind of waves in the water. These waves will move this ball up and down. This motion should be maximum. You push the water in such a way that this motion is maximum, and this will generate the electricity to light up this LED.